In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a OneDrive folder name. This is a straightforward task, but it's worth ensuring each step is done correctly to help you manage your files efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the OneDrive website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login screen. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and log in. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your OneDrive homepage. Once inside, take a moment to look at the layout. You should see your files and folders neatly organized. Find the folder that you wish to rename. If you have many folders, you might want to make use of the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Now that you've found the folder, the next step is to right-click on it. Doing so will bring up a context menu. These options are quite useful, providing you with a range of actions you can perform on your folder. Look for the option that says Rename. This is usually one of the first actions listed, so it should be easy to spot. Once you click on Rename, the folder name should become editable, highlighted, and ready for you to type. Think about the new name you want to assign to the folder. It might be helpful to choose a name that is descriptive and easy for you to recognize in the future. Type in your chosen name. Before you hit enter, review your new name for spelling errors or unintended characters that might confuse you later. Taking a little extra time now can save you from head-scratching moments down the line. Once you're satisfied with the new name, press the enter key on your keyboard. If everything went smoothly, the folder name should update immediately. It's a simple process, but if for some reason the name doesn't update, try refreshing your browser or checking your internet connection. Now that your folder has a fresh new name, you can continue to organize other files or folders as necessary. This small change can often make a huge difference in how you navigate and manage your documents within OneDrive, keeping everything clear and accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now able to rename your OneDrive folders with ease. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance with OneDrive. Keep exploring and organizing your digital space and see how smooth file management can be when everything is in its right place.